Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Trading 212 application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trading 212 application on your device. Once you open it up, you will see the Open Account as well as the Login button. If you don't already have an account, just tap on Open Account. This will then take you into the sign up page. Just choose your country of residence and then choose the account type that you would like to begin with. You can add more account types in the future as well, so you may begin with the very basic one. You will then be allowed to enter your email address and your password for your account. Just type in your email address within the given box and then enter your password that you would like to set for your account. Then click on the I accept button and then click on Create Account. You will be asked to allow notifications. You may allow them or skip by clicking on Not Now. Now you will be taken into your home page where you can start setting up your account. Tap on the Set Up Your Account button, and now you need to verify your account by checking your inbox. So just open up your email application and you will find an email from Trading 212. Just open up this email and tap on the Verify button, and now your email address will be verified. You can now begin to set up your account details, such as your personal details, your full name, and other personal information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Trading 212 application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.